Hi everyone, I am Neeraj Narayan Chaudhary and once again I am back with a new Excel function that is called rank.EQ and rank.AVG. So firstly I would like to explain about the rank function. Rank function in Excel is used to determine the rank of specific numbers within a list of numbers. There are two versions of rank function in Excel. One is RANK.EQ, another one is RANK.AVG. So firstly I would like to learn a simple rank function. So simple rank function syntax is like equals to RANK, simple, and start the bracket, and now it's asking to select the number. So I have selected the number and now it's again asking for a reference. Reference means range. So we have selected the range and now it's asking for a order. So order should be 0 is descending, 1 is ascending. So we wanted 0 descending order. We need the rank order is descending. So we have selected 0 here and close the bracket and hit the enter. Now you can see the rank is, the result is here. Now if you can see here, the 65 who is obtained 65 marks, the rank is 10. But if you see here, 99 is 1, 50 again 10. So seems something is wrong in this formula. So why this is wrong? Because you can see here we have selected the number is A2, but now here you can select, you can see here is the formula is shifted from here. So to avoid this error, you can just have a lock the function with $sign F and F4. Now you can drag the formula. Now you can see the entire function is correctly. The 99, who has a 99 score, the first rank. Now you can see who has a 98, they have got second rank, 89 third rank, and now the so on, like this. So in this basis you can use the rank function at your day-to-day work. Now move on to rank.EQ function. So rank.EQ function, this function ranks a number based on their value. If there are a duplicate value in this list, the rank.EQ function will assign the same rank to each duplicate's value and the next rank will be skipped. So syntax is like similar, rank dot eq bracket start, and again select the number. Now again select the reference and the order value is 0. Close the bracket and hit the enter. You get the answer as a. So before drag it down, just lock the formula here, F and F4 with the $sign. Now you can drag the formula. Now it's correct. In the same basis, this function, what difference we have rank between rank and rank.EQ. So if you see in this function, 99 who have gotten 99 numbers, rank function is also giving number 1 rank, and rank.EQ is also giving number 1 rank. But you see, if the same the duplicate, then same it's assigning the rank EQ function is assigning same rank. Okay, so in this basis you can use rank function, rank EQ function. And now moving to the rank AVJ function. So rank AVJ function ranks number based on their value but handles duplicate value differentially. If there are duplicate value in this list, rank AVJ will assign the average of the ranks that those value would occupy if they were not duplicate. So rank.avg syntax is like equals to rank.avg and select the start the bracket, and again it's asking for a number, and now asking for a entire range, and now it's 0 descending order. So we have selected this one. Now you see, first lock the formula F4 Fn F4. Okay, and now you drag the formula correctly. So in this basis you can see here, whoever is a 58 twice, 58 twice, the average is differentiated like 12.5, which is earlier in rank, and rank EQ is simply 12 and 12. So that is the difference between rank and rank EQ and rank AVJ formula. Hope you guys have enjoyed this learning and enjoying this video. So if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching and happy learning. We'll meet you in the next video with the next topic. Thank you and happy learning.